Joe Biden is pouring cold water on the rollout and the distribution. Listen to this. I'm quoting directly. This is Joe Biden. Vaccines don't equal vaccinations. Our challenge now is to scale up manufacturing and distribution to distribute 100 million shots in the first 100 days of my administration. White House Deputy Press Secretary Brian Morgenstern joins us now. Come on, Brian. The man's trying to take credit for the president's achievement.
That's exactly right, Stuart, and thank you for having me. This is a really great day for America because
Yes.
Operation Warp Speed is proceeding. In fact, we are on pace to far exceed that goal on that timeline over the course of the next several months. So if it were only 100 million, I think talking about March or April, that actually would be behind schedule. We're talking about getting to 100 million by February, potentially. And Stuart, this morning, the Secretary of Health and Human Services was reporting that we could see vaccinations as soon as Monday, because the FDA has indicated that they are on track to approve this safe and effective vaccine 5 times faster than ever before because of President Trump's warp speed. And we are looking forward to reducing the risks of this virus more and more every week, with millions of vaccinations each week over the coming months. And that means we can see the light at the end of the tunnel, and that is great news for optimism for America.
Yeah, it really is. I think you're absolutely right on that, Brian. And I think the president deserves full credit for what he has achieved. However, now the job is to persuade people to take this vaccine. Yeah. Is there some idea that maybe President Trump would take it, maybe on camera, as a demonstration to get out there and you take it too? Any thought about that?
So, that's been suggested to us. We're certainly considering it. The president has already indicated his willingness to do it, if that's what the experts suggest. And I know there are a number of other high-profile vaccine influencers willing to set an example. That's all good news, Stuart. But this administration has been extraordinarily, radically transparent, in fact. And we had the 3-hour-long summit explaining in excruciating detail the development and review process. And we now had the public meeting of an independent advisory board that took place yesterday. And what they're seeing, Stuart, what the doctors and the scientists are seeing is upwards of 90–95% efficacy, far exceeding expectations, and no severe health adverse effects. That's extraordinary news. Really just some rare, mild, ordinary side effects that you see, for example, with the flu shot. Soreness where you get your shot, or a little bit of fatigue, or a very mild fever that lasts only for a short amount of time. These are things that it doesn't make you sick, it makes you healthy. It protects you against this virus, and we're getting that message out there through public health experts to reassure the American people. And I think to your suggestion, Stuart, we'll have lots of people out there taking the shot as well to set an example. The president's certainly considering that.
Real fast, Brian, 20 seconds. Are the trucks loaded with the doses of vaccine? Are the planes loaded with the doses of the vaccine? Are they rolling? Are they taking off? Are we doing it?
We are doing it, and Stuart, we anticipate the FDA finally issuing the authorization. They've already given the signal. That means we think there will be shipments happening over the weekend, and that we could have shots in arms as soon as Monday. That is extraordinary news for America, thanks to President Trump's Operation Warp Speed.
Congratulations, Brian. Congratulations, President Trump. Thanks for joining us, Brian. We'll see you again soon. Thank you, sir.